So, dyan. Let's go. Right. Nice. Let's go. Ako lang mag-isa. Galing ko talaga. So, yeah. Let's go. Hanap natin yung gate natin, guys. Gate 10. Oh my God. Tanga-tanga pa. Let's go. And guys, tapos na tayo. Hanapin natin yung gate 10. Ayan guys, sa wakas nahanap ko rin yung gate ko. Gate 10. Gate 10. So guys, gate 10. Yan. Kaso wala pa yung aking General Santos pa yan parating. Yan guys, bago ko makakuha, guard ka muna. Grabe.
Commence as soon as all packing preparations, servicing and disembarkation has been completed. Meanwhile, our final boarding gate assignment is at gate number.
Hi guys, see you Tagbularan. Yeah. Pero kailangan natin mag-pray syempre always. So yan guys. Departure time namin is 19:10. So let's go. Oh my God. Feel ko ako lang dito. Walang katabi. Oh my gosh. I feel I don't have a katabi. I can't. Let's go. Ilang oras din. I mean, hindi naman siguro ito oras. So, antayin natin. Antay sa Tagbaylan. So, yan. Sundo sa akin si Auntie Marilu, si Auntie Lucia, and Kuya Vincent. Let's go. Then guys, see you on Tagbilaran. Yun. Pero, mag-pray muna tayo. Let's go.
For your safety, ensure your seatbelt is fastened at all times, as clear air turbulence may occur.
pala Diyos. Daghan pa may aganuhan guys oh.
Layan.
Oh, Nes.